New data from the Ohio Department of Health shows a steep drop in coronavirus cases in the past week. There were just over 13,000 new cases reported last week, which is down more than 4,000 from the previous week. Hospitalizations and ICU admissions also declined. ODH reported 88 more COVID deaths last week, which is down slightly from the week before. But that is good news for the coming holiday weekend. We're days away from the start of 2023, and many people in the Miami Valley are making plans to get together to ring in the new year. Health officials say the U.S. is still in the midst of a triple threat of respiratory viruses, and they say you might want to reconsider gathering. 2 News reporter Nisha Pettyholmes live here in the studio with the risk factors of attending these festivities.
Health officials I spoke with say there are steps you can take to protect yourself if you do plan to attend a holiday event, but there are also several factors you should consider before making those plans.
So if you encounter somebody who does have active COVID and you're interacting closely, you're going to have a significant risk of acquiring that infection.
Goodbye 2022 and hello 2023. New Year's celebration are back and many people are planning on celebrating in a grand way. But large gatherings come while we're still in the grasp of a triple-demic. There's an increased risk of spreading RSV, influenza, or COVID from person to person.
Individuals are at a particularly high risk for getting complicated disease. We want to make sure that they reconsider attending any of these events.
Health officials say people in the high-risk category includes the elderly or severely immunocompromised, people who have heart disease or already have a respiratory illness. If you're in that group or know someone who is, take additional precaution.
We are going to recommend that they wear the mask even if they've had the booster because we want to minimize the chance for complications as low as possible.
And health officials say if you're already sick, save the celebration for next year.
Certainly, if you are ill, you should not attend any of these events lest we pass on that infection to others.
Health officials also say the risk of contracting RSV, influenza, or COVID also depends if you have been keeping up with your vaccines. And they urge everyone to get vaccinated as soon as you can. Live in the studio, I'm Nisha Pettyholmes, 5 on 2.